Let's talk about Le Creuset cast iron wok with glass lid, 32 cm volcanic. Iconic cooking vessel for Chinese and Oriental cooking. Suitable for both slow and fast cooking. Traditionally made in cast iron. Sold with a glass lid. Suitable for all heat sources including induction. I adore Le Creuset and have purchased many of their volcanic range. However, I was disappointed with this because I wanted to cook Chinese food in it. If any thick sauce, yellow bean etc. is used, it tends to stick. Also egg fried rice and risottos. So I use it just to quick stir fry vegetables, which is a shame because it looks lovely and the overall quality is as good as other Le Creuset products. I have reverted to using my old wok for most things, and it's a shame because this was quite an expensive item to be just on show in my kitchen. Wanted a Le Creuset wok as have a lot of Le Creuset. I was a bit concerned reading some of the other reviews as it is a lot of money. But I've been very happy with it. I do treat it with respect, not using sharp utensils when using it, and it's been perfect. I put it in the dishwasher also with no worries. Other people have had disappointing experiences, but mine's been fine. Heavy as you would expect, and excellent quality. New induction cooker meant a new wok that would work on it. Already have lots of Le Creuset, so decided to spend on this after reading positive reviews. I am really pleased that I did. It is the best wok I have ever owned. Very versatile and food moves easily around it without sticking. It also cleans up very well.